Good morning, guys. Just wanted to give a quick update and analysis on Bitcoin, BTC, USD. It looks like the F2 mining pool did dump. We had a pretty healthy drop here. So we're going to analyze this. We can go ahead and put on our fibs from the 4-hour chart. We can see that we crossed over the 236 and came into our zone at the 5-0. Between the 5-0 and the 618. So if we draw that out, that's what that looks like. So I do believe the market will continue to drop a bit more. If we look at the trend we have going here, you can see that we did break this trend that we had been bouncing off of. And then we continue lower. It looked as if, there we go. We did close below the 236 here on this candle, which means we activated that fib and we should continue lower. We could bounce off the 382 or we could come down into the zone here at the 50618, right? So if we actually go to the daily chart and we mark that up, throw our fibs on it. All right, so the zone will be right in here between the 50 and the 618, right? And so if we did close below the 236 here on the daily, we could expect to go even lower. And so we would wait for confirmation in either this area or this area. But I believe we should at least move into this area here between 43.6 and 40,300, somewhere right in there. So if we actually go down to the weekly chart, let's just enlarge that a bit. Okay, take our fibs. And so the major zone would be right down here where we have all this support in here would be the 382. There's a lot of support right in here. So we could just come down into this zone and also test this 382 and up from there. Or we could come down to our weekly zone here from 34,100 to around 28 or so, right? So that's what we'll be waiting on for confirmation in one of these areas. All right, so if we're on the daily, if we're looking at the daily chart, let me take this fib off here. So if we're looking at the daily chart and we have our confirmation, and then we could expect to come back up to at least the 236, right? So that should be the next move from around 43,597, probably 43.6, up into 40 or 51.4, right? Somewhere right in there. So we can take profits along the way here at the 382 and the 236, and overall we could just skyrocket depending on if somebody pumps the market. But we all know all the news on crypto is good, so I wouldn't expect to come down any further than this. If we did, then we could really be in a bearish situation, which I don't believe is going to happen, but we'll wait and see, guys. So just wanted to show you what's going on today. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll keep you updated on anything I see going on in the markets today. Till then, you guys have a good one.